Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tourism is promoted around the globe, and the tourism sites collect the bulk amount of revenue from the tourists. It is the responsibility of the governments to provide the safety and the security to the tourists on the tourism sites. A very horrific, dreadful, and unbelievable accident happened in Swat River a few days before. Because it was very dangerous and having a different scenario where people were examining their beloveds drowning in the water, and they were crying for help, and the head of the family was making the calls to the rescue departments with no response. The rescue department reached on the site with unprofessionalism and unexperienced preparations. Rather than they perform the rescue duties, they started preaching to the tourists. They have to do this, that. Not more than this. Now, the responsibility to provide the safety and security to the tourist sites, there are PDMA, Rescue 1122, and the law enforcement agencies in the concerned areas. They totally failed, and they are just raising shameful voices. They come in time and try to rescue the people. They came same like that fire crash tender when all the men and material has lost, and there was just sirens of the crash tender presence. The organizational heads for the safety and security of these areas are to be put in the law of justice, and the victims have to be provided the financial payback from these organizations, and the immoral, unprofessional, and immature organizational departments they have to made example where there will be a lesson for the others. They have to perform their duties well in manner. If they are not able, they have to along before raise their voices that they are unable to provide safety and the security to the concerned sites. Approximately 18 members of the family has lost their lives, but the leaders are just regretting not accepting the responsibility.